This is the story of a journey of building continuous growth of a business and also for the nation. And this journey started back in the 1960s with importing and trading steel products. In 1971, through a 9-month liberation war, Bangladesh was born. It became an independent geographic reality with a totally damaged infrastructure. Building this new country required vigorous infrastructural constructions and developments. These requirements were met by imported construction materials from other Asian countries. This scenario sparked a new business opportunity. The founders of Haque Steel Group, with the notion of contributing to the nation's economy, stepped into manufacturing construction materials in 1985. Haque Steel and Re-Rolling Industries Limited started its production of MS bar with a capacity of 90 tons per day. Their superior product quality created a huge market demand in a very short time, and they invested in another plant to double their production. But the demand still kept increasing. So Haque Steel Group turned on towards vertical integration and set up Haque Steel Complex to produce 160 tons of MS billet per day, which is the primary raw material for MS bars and other steel products like deformed bar, equal angles, channels and so on. Haque Steel Groups introduced a completely new technology and yet the only plant in Bangladesh to manufacture sponge iron directly from iron ore, which is imported from Australia and India. This automated plant has the mechanism to operate every single unit separately, which made this whole process much safer and efficient, and the products are consumed as raw materials in their steel plants. This made Haque Steel Group the only group in the nation with such dynamic manufacturing setup that produces finished steel products starting all the way from the core raw material. Since the beginning, Haque Steel Group has focused on setting an in-house sales and distribution network, which is operating almost all over the country. This advantage inspired Haque Steel Group to expand in a composite attitude. They invested in cement manufacturing. Haque Steel Group set up a Portland cement plant with a capacity of 500 tons per day from high-quality clinkers, fly ash and gypsum since the year 2000. Their OK brand cement gained rapid popularity for its superior quality. It was a very timely move as their cement production coincided with the nationwide boom of residential and industrial constructions. Another mark of vertical integration and self-dependence is their 7-megawatt power plant. They made a significant investment and set up gas-powered generators manufactured by world-renowned Waukesha generators from the United States of America to support uninterrupted production despite the disturbance of national power supply. Today, the government and private sectors jointly meet only 54% of total electricity demand. So there is a huge potential for the Haque Steel Group to grow in this sector. Analyzing the change in choice factor for home and industrial purpose and the increase in disposable income of the people, Haque Steel Group found an opportunity in CI sheet industry. They set a color coating plant which is coating CI sheets with vibrant colors, making them more attractive, durable, environment-friendly and economical. Haque Steel Group also invested in Bank Asia, a renowned private bank in the nation, and in Apollo Ishpat Complex Limited, the largest of its kind in South Asia. A recent study by UNCTAD says that Bangladesh is only 17 years away to get the middle-income country status. Besides that, due to its geographical location, Bangladesh faces many natural disasters, which means more building and rebuilding of infrastructures is required. These led Haque Steel Group to believe in further expansion and think forward to uphold their own mission of building continuous growth in business and also for the nation's economy. Building a continuous growth for half a century in Bangladesh through natural and political turmoil shows the strength of these pioneer entrepreneurs. Being one of the industry leaders, they give a great importance to proper standards of safety, compliance and healthcare for its human resources, and genuine affinity for the environment. Haque Steel Group, along with its sister concern group, the ESCO Group, made this journey possible with a high degree of commitment, professionalism, keeping up to date with new technology, strategy of composite integration, and business insight. Haque Steel Group. Think forward.